In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Monzo 2025. We'll walk through getting your money into Monzo and making it available early so you can access your cash sooner when you need it. I'll keep it clear and practical, and I'll add helpful tips along the way. First, open the Monzo app. Make sure you're on the latest version so everything looks and works as expected. If you use Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode, log in securely and confirm you're in your personal account. A stable internet connection helps the app load your balances and features quickly. From the home screen, look for the Get Paid Early option. You'll usually find it on the main feed or within features for your primary account. If you can't see it, try pulling down to refresh or check the help section and search for Get Paid Early. Keep in mind that availability can depend on your account type and whether your salary is paid in a compatible way. Next, set up your salary to come into Monzo. This is essential because you'll only be able to access your pay early after your income is routed to your Monzo account. Share your Monzo sort code and account number with your employer or payroll provider and double check the details before submitting. Some payroll changes take a full pay cycle to take effect, so it's normal if you don't see the switch immediately. Also note that Get Paid Early generally works with standard UK bank transfers from employers that use supported payment schemes. Once your salary is set to land in Monzo, turn on Get Paid Early in the app. You may be asked to read and accept terms that explain how early access works. Enabling this feature tells Monzo to release your pending salary early when they receive confirmation from your employer's payment provider. After that, wait for approval. Monzo will confirm when your salary setup is recognized and the feature is active. Around payday, you might see a banner showing that your salary is pending. Notifications can help here, so make sure they're turned on in your phone settings and within the Monzo app. Finally, check your account as payday approaches. When Monzo detects your incoming salary, you'll see an option to access it early if you're eligible that cycle. Follow the prompt in the app, and your balance will update to reflect the funds. Once the money appears in your account, it's available to use and withdraw through your usual methods. If something doesn't appear as expected, refresh the app, review the help section, or contact Monzo support for guidance.